Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of saunas and exploring the incredible benefits they offer for both your body and mind. If you've ever wondered why saunas have been a part of various cultures for centuries, you're about to find out. Let's get started. The basics of saunas. First things first, what exactly is a sauna? Well, it's a heated room, typically made of wood, where you can relax and enjoy dry or wet heat. Saunas come in various styles, including traditional Finnish saunas, infrared saunas, and steam saunas. Now let's talk about the physical benefits of using a sauna. Detoxification. Saunas promote sweating, which helps flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Improved circulation. The heat in saunas dilates blood vessels, leading to improved circulation. This can help with muscle recovery and even reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. Pain relief. Many people find relief from muscle and joint pain after a sauna session. The heat relaxes muscles and promotes the release of endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. Mental benefits of using a sauna. Saunas aren't just for your body, they're excellent for your mental well-being too. Stress reduction. Stepping into a sauna can be like stepping into a stress-free zone. The calming environment and relaxation it offers can help reduce stress and anxiety. Improved sleep. Regular sauna use can improve the quality of your sleep. The relaxation and heat prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. Mental clarity. Many sauna enthusiasts report enhanced mental clarity and focus after a session. It's a great way to clear your mind. Skin and beauty benefits. Don't be surprised if your skin thanks you for your sauna sessions. Skin cleansing. Sweating in a sauna can cleanse your skin, removing impurities and promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. Anti-aging. The increased circulation and collagen production from sauna use can help reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Before you jump into sauna therapy, here are some important precautions and tips to keep in mind. Stay hydrated. Always drink plenty of water before and after your sauna session to avoid dehydration. Limit time. Don't overdo it. Start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the time spent in the sauna. Consult a doctor. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before using a sauna regularly. So there you have it, folks. The incredible benefits of using a sauna. From physical wellness to mental relaxation, saunas offer a holistic approach to well-being. Remember to enjoy them in moderation and always prioritize safety. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay relaxed.